welcome to our YouTube channel Vidyasi 777. Today we discuss national symbols. తమ్ముడు ఈ రోజు మనం నేషనల్ సింబల్స్ నేర్చుకుందామా? ఇంకా అక్క, వాట్ ఇస్ దిస్? ఇండియా మ్యాప్. ఓకే, వాట్ ఈస్ ద నేషనల్ యానిమల్? Bengal tiger. What is the national river? Ganga. What is the national fruit? Mango. What is the national flag? Three color. Three color. Three color. What is the national tree? Banyan tree. What is the national flower? National flower lotus. What is the national water animal? Dolphins. What is the national anthem? Janaganamana. What is the national heritage animal? Elephant. What is the national emblem? What is the national game? Hockey. What is the national ball? Peacock. Please do subscribe for more videos.